call Mama, Papa.
Wait, tell Papa first. How much do you love Papa?
So with all my heart. We need to.
Hello at welcome back sa aking channel. Anak ni Jessie Menjola na si Baby Peanut quality time sa kanyang dad Luis Manzano. Nakakatuwang panoorin ang evening bonding time nina Luis Manzano at ng kanyang anak na si Baby Rosie o mas kilala bilang Peanut. Sa video, maririnig na tinatanong ni Luis ang kanyang anak at si Rosie ay agad namang sumasagot sa mga tanong ng ama. Sabi pa ni Luis, "Best parts of our evenings, we love you Peanut," na nagpapakita kung gaano niya pinapahalagahan ang mga simpleng oras na ito kasama ang anak. Dagdag pa sa nakakatuwang eksena, si Peanut ay palaging sinasabi na tatawagan nila ang kanyang mommy na si Jessie Menjola. Makikita rito kung gaano kahalaga para kay Rosie ang presensya ng kanyang ina, kahit nasa bonding moment siya kasama ang kanyang daddy. Narito at ating panoorin ang cute na video ng mag-ama pero bago yan maaari po kayong mag-subscribe para sa iba pang celebrity updates.
No, we need to call Mama.
Do you love Papa?
Yes, we need to call Mama, Papa.
Wait, tell Papa first. How much do you love Papa?
So with all my heart. We need to go in
And
and call Mama.
is Papa handsome?
Yes,
Is Papa kind?
yes,
Is Papa smart?
yes.
Is Papa cute?
No?
What? Is Peanut beautiful?
Yes,
Is Peanut gorgeous?
yes,
Is Peanut smart?
yes.
And the most important, is Peanut kind? Are you kind?
No?
Yes, you are. You're very, very kind. You have the most beautiful heart. Are you patient?
Yes.
You're patient? Okay, kiss Papa. Kiss Papa first. I'll turn this off now so you can sleep. Kiss Papa.
No, I want to call Mama.
Okay, but kiss Papa first. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, kiss Papa. Kiss Papa. Mwah, I love you. How much do you love Papa?
I love you down on my heart, okay?
I love
We
you.
need to go in.